Welcome to Linux Help. Today I will show you how to install Elxis CMS on Ubuntu version 20.4.1. Elxis CMS is a free and open source CMS written in PHP language that allows us to create a website from small websites to corporate websites. It is simple, fast and easy to use, so you can easily install it without any programming skills. Let's go for the installation. Before installation, check the OS by using below command. My OS is Ubuntu 20.4.1. Next I am going to install the Apache. To install Apache, type a below command. The package is installing. Once completed, start the Apache service. Check the status of Apache. The status is active. Next I am going to install My SQL Server. To install My SQL, type below command. The package is installing. Once completed, next I am going to install My SQL secure installation. Enter your password. Re-enter. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. Remove test database. Yes. Reload privilege tables now. Yes. Once installation is completed, start the MySQL service. Once completed, enable the MySQL service. Next, I am going to install PHP modules. To install PHP modules, type the below command. The modules were installing. Once completed, restart the Apache service. Next, I am going to install the Helix package. I had already downloaded the package. This is my Helix package. Unzip the package by using below command. The file was extracted. Now move the Helix directory to Apache directory. Once completed, give the ownership for Helix directory. Next, configure My SQL database. Once completed, create a virtual host for Helix CMS. Save and quit. Next, I'm going to configure the host entry. Type IP address, server name, save and quit. Disable the default access. Enable site access. Enable rewrite module. Once completed, restart the Apache service by using below command. Once completed, open browser. In here, type domain name. This is the welcome page for Helix CMS. Check this box. Continue. Type the name. Type username, password. Submit. First name, mail address, create password. Submit. Click here to visit your new website. This is the home page for Helix CMS. With this method, the installation of Helix CMS on Ubuntu comes to the end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.